and welcome. My name's Hannah, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my natural, everyday, glowy makeup routine. So if that sounds interesting to you, sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. So I've already prepped my skin, cleanser, toner, moisturizer. I'm not going to go in with any primers because I'm going to start off with a tinted moisturizer, and I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to be blending that in with the E.L.F Ultimate Blending Brush and just my Real Technique sponge, just squeezing a bit onto the back of my hand and then dipping the brush in and tapping it onto the face and dragging it out. I recently reviewed this entire collection from Smashbox, and I think I was a little bit harsh on this tinted moisturizer. I have definitely been reaching for it a lot more than I thought I would. It is really, really glowy. It sinks into the skin really well, and it doesn't transfer onto anything, which I find a lot of other tinted moisturizers tend to do. So I've been really enjoying this. And blend it into the ears, down the neck. That is looking good. And then I'm just gonna grab up the remnants from my hand and brush out, tap out any brush marks with my damp beauty sponge. Next up, I'm gonna go and just do my eyebrows, I think. So I'm gonna start off with the E.L.F Wow Brow in the shade Taupe, and I'm just gonna brush that quite haphazardly through my brows. So we're gonna go in with something after. This just gives them a little bit more color. Then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel, and I'm just gonna brush the brow out and down to create this angular shape here. Okay, so brows done. Completely forgot to do concealer, so let's do that next. I am going to go in with the Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer, which looks like this, and this is in the lightest shade, which is NW01 Flax. And pop it just here. I've got a little spot as well. And then going back in with my Real Technique sponge, I'm just going to blend that out. This is more of a medium to full coverage concealer, which I enjoy with a skin tint because I get quite dark under eye bags, and I do like to cover those up as much as I can. Lovely. So then I'm just going to set the under eyes with this L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Perfecting Powder in the shade 1R Ivory Rose. Just tap out the under eyes to make sure there's no creases, and a light dusting of this just under the eyes to make sure they don't crease throughout the day. So next I'm gonna go for cheek stuff, and I'm going to be putting on, I'm not entirely sure what this is called, but I will put the exact name down in the description box. And I'm just gonna put this blush in the shade Spiced Apple all over the cheeks. And as always, a little on the nose. Just tap over that just a bit, just to get rid of any excess. Then I'm going to put that same blush shade, this one here, just in the crease of my eyelid, just for like a really simple, easy eye look. And then just putting a bit on the edge here, blending that up into the crease, and then around the excess under the eye. Then I am going to grab this brush is very dirty. Okay, so then we're going to take a flat brush and just go in with the highlighting shade on this side and put that on the inside of the lid. Next, I'm gonna do highlighter, I think, and I'm gonna use the Tarte Skin Twinkle palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade. Tap off the excess, just put it right on my temple, top of my cheekbone, and on the nose. It is just a nice everyday highlighting palette. Oh, and I'm gonna put a little tiny bit on my inner corner as well. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Sky High mascara. Love this, love it so much. Okay, and then to finish everything off, I am going to go in with the E.L.F. Hydrating Core Lip Shine in the shade Blissful. Just pop that all over the lips. It's just a really lovely nudie brown. It goes really well, that spiced apple palette. And then final step, setting spray. I'm gonna go in with the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. This one I'm almost out of. So much so that I think I'm gonna have to lean it forward to try and get that last little bit in there. Okay, so that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to. I put out new videos every single week. I hope that you have a fantastic rest of the day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!